So when you get started with Sellics smart campaigns, which products should you start with? If you've got aged products that are performing well with their PPC campaigns, we don't actually suggest you start with them straight away. These would be better added during the scaling phase, which we'll get to in a later tutorial. We suggest initially choosing 1 to 3 ASINs so you can familiarize yourself with how smart campaigns work. And here are a few recommendations of the type of ASIN that you could choose to start with your smart campaigns. The first option is new ASINs. Now, either these are just brand new ASINs or they haven't had some advertising spend on them yet. Often you'll know exactly which ASINs these are, but if you're running an account with a lot of ASINs and you need help pinpointing these, well, you can easily do this from inside your Sellics profit dashboard. The second key area that we recommend choosing ASINs from is under-advertised products. Products that have a low PPC sales share. We suggest under 30% of your sales, as it suggests that there is a big opportunity to quickly grow your sales with smart campaigns. Again, you can find this in your Sellics profit dashboard by looking at your ASINs that have a much larger organic sales percentage than they do PPC sales percentage. Identify some of those under advertised products and begin to use those for your smart campaigns. And then the third option is some poorly optimized products. When we say poorly optimized, that's not necessarily your listing, more your PPC. Products with a high cost per click or high ACOS, the PPC campaigns haven't necessarily been optimized yet, and this is something that you can plug into smart campaigns, get some quick optimization, and again, some quick wins. You can find these ASINs in your benchmarker report, again, inside your Sellics account. Just look for products that have got a higher than normal cost per click or a higher than normal ACOS. Now, as you probably know, PPC is not a magic wand, and there are some products that aren't always going to perform well with Amazon advertising. So there are a few types of products that we would suggest you avoid initially with your smart campaigns. You should avoid using smart campaigns for products with poor conversion rate. These would be products in your Sellics benchmarker report that have a red tag on the conversion rate. Also, you should avoid products with tight margins that's not really going to give you the freedom to be able to test this process. Thirdly, you should avoid products where you have low stock, because again, you're going to want to drive more sales, and having low stock is going to defeat the purpose of what we're trying to do with smart campaigns. And finally, you should avoid products that are very low priced, such as under $10. Again, it's not really going to give you the ability to be able to test this process, dial it in, and scale up your profits. So those are a few products to avoid. And then finally, just a note on child variations. If you've got lots of child variations for your one parent product, then just add the one child variation that performs best initially, and then you can manually add the other ones after. All you need to do this is open the ad group view in Sellics, select edit ad group, and then add your ASINs from there. You can of course also add your ASINs to your Sellics smart campaigns in Seller Central. So there we go. We've covered the right products to start your smart campaigns with, and in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can actually set these campaigns up to win.